श्री राम जेठमलानी जी को भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री नितिन गडकरी जी ने तत्काल प्रभाव से निलंबित कर दिया है।
The sprightly 90-year-old who is fighting to get BJP President Nitin Gadkari the sack remains unrepentant.
I can't speak for the party. I'm a very small person in the party. I can't predict its actions, but that does not prevent me from speaking the truth. I have expressed my view and I'm very happy that there are at least 3 or 4 persons who have supported.
Jethmalani's suspension ends the BJP's rhetoric of being a party that tolerates dissent and disagreement between members.
पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड की बैठक 4:30 बजे होगी, जिस पर उनके निष्कासन की प्रक्रिया पर निर्णय होगा।
Jethmalani and his son Mahesh had launched a frontal attack against Gadkari. The Jethmalanis argued that Gadkari was too tainted to lead the party.
I have been in touch with Jaswant Singh, Yashwant Sinha, Shatrughan Sinha. These 4 of us are clearly of the opinion that a resignation at this time from the party president is imminently called for.
So since my personal conscience is not satisfied on both these issues, I have chosen to resign from the National Executive Committee.
This after RSS had thrown in its lot with Gadkari, who is accused of forgery, cheating and money laundering in the Purti group of companies. A stunned BJP issued gag orders that Jethmalani had promptly brushed aside.
मेरे ऊपर कार्रवाई होगी तो मैं वेलकम करूंगा, मगर मुझे नहीं लगता है कि किसमें भी हिम्मत है इतनी कि मेरे ऊपर कार्रवाई करेगा।
But Jethmalani appears to have set off a chain reaction of rebellion.
सैद्धांतिक दृष्टिकोण से बिल्कुल जेठमलानी जी हों कि लाल कृष्ण आडवाणी जी हों कि यशवंत सिन्हा जी हों, बिल्कुल उनके साथ हूं और साथ रहूंगा। जो बातें वो कह रहे हैं, मैं समझता हूं उस पर अवश्य गौर करने की जरूरत है।
Within days, 3 more leaders spoke out against the embattled BJP president. Perhaps it was the fear of spreading dissent that the BJP thought it best to send a tough message to the rebels. Bureau Report, News X.
I am totally indifferent to what has happened. Okay?
But they are saying that the parliamentary board meeting today, they're going to decide what these...
Let him decide anything. Don't worry about it. I am indifferent, and you have no business to get into it more than I do. I am indifferent. Whatever they do doesn't bother me in the least. Nobody can take away my seat from BJP, from parliament.